At the gun, they all started out.
This will make it better. This will make it better.
What matters is helping others win, even if it means slowing down.
This is the story of a race that changed everything. At the Seattle Special Olympics, 9 contestants stood at the starting line. The race began. They all started running, with determination in their hearts. But suddenly, one little boy stumbled. He fell and began to cry. The others heard him. They slowed down, looked back. And then, something incredible happened. Every single one of them turned around. They went back, helped him up. One girl kissed him and said, "This will make it better." Then all 9 held hands and walked together to the finish line. Moral of the story: winning isn't everything. Helping others win is what truly matters. So at this instant, would you stop to help or keep running to win?